You like hunting, but you don't like the real fur and the taxidermist stuff. Well, this product may be right for you. Now, what could it be? So let's get a nice close-up unboxing. A little assembling is required. You get some screws, anchors, and a hook. These are antlers. They come put in plastic bags. Simply pull out each one carefully. And the deer, elk, whatever sculpture you're looking for, pull it out of the plastic bag and carefully grab it. It's very simple to install. Just make sure you got the right one facing the correct way. It only goes in one particular way. Here we go, showing you how it goes on. And it will snap in. So now that you got the idea how it goes, the other one slides really in simple. You're almost done. This is the metal hook that's going to go against a wall where you want to install it. I'm going to pick a spot right over here. Lock it into place. Give you an idea what it looks like hanging up. The bolt up and putting them on. Lock him into place. Make sure he's level. And what a beautiful shot indeed. I caught myself a reindeer, an antler. I hope you enjoy your product, no matter where you're at, with your trophy wards.